Good morning. It is Monday and I'm starting a new week of what we took and had for work lunch. I'm giving Matt today a Gatorade G2. This is the grape lower sugar one. And then a dupe for Dr. Pepper from Price Chopper. And of course, as always, his water cooler. The sandwich here I made on this semolina bread. This is from the Price Chopper Bakery. My parents came over the weekend and brought this bread because we had a little birthday dinner for me. So I've got rare roast beef, Swiss cheese, arugula, and a little bit of mayo because the bread is pretty hearty and needed a little bit of condiment on there to keep it kind of moist. This little container here. I've got some of the Whole Foods brand kettle cooked, just plain potato chips, no flavor. And a Whole Foods strawberry Nutri-Grain bar, their version of a Nutri-Grain bar. And then some large green grapes. These are like the Welch's brand grapes from BJ's. I am actually meeting my brother on lunch today. He is taking me to lunch for my birthday because he wasn't here over the weekend with my parents and my sister. So he is coming today to take me to lunch on my lunch break. So I'll try and remember to bring my camera to film. If not, I'll try and take a picture and insert it here or something. But regardless, I will see you later. Good morning, getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Gatorade G2 lower sugar in the grape flavor, a ginger ale here, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The sandwich here is on the Nature's Own thick sliced white bread. I actually meant to get the multigrain, but I was obviously not paying attention and got the white instead. I was going to return it or exchange it, but I just haven't had time. So I just figure I might as well use it. So this is that bread with hard salami, arugula, some baby Swiss, and spicy brown mustard. I've got a Chobani flip in the strawberry cheesecake. So it says it has a strawberry Greek yogurt, and then on the little side that you flip, it has graham cookies, creamy frosting chunks, and coated rice crisps. So hopefully he'll like it. He likes strawberries. I'm giving him a combo cheddar cheese flavor, baked pretzel little snack pack, and then a couple of the cutie oranges that I have peeled and ready to go so he can just eat them because he usually eats on the job site or in his truck just really quickly. But this is what he is taking today, and we'll see you later. Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work lunch. I actually forgot to film mine yesterday because it was my actual birthday, and my boss treated me to lunch at work, and I didn't have my camera anyways. But today's Wednesday, and I'm giving Matt a Gatorade lower sugar in the grape, a Dr. Pepper from the Price Chopper brand, sandwich today on that Nature's Own white bread. But this is turkey, buffalo turkey or buffalo chicken, I can never remember. I think it's buffalo chicken. Iceberg lettuce, Swiss cheese, and some buffalo ranch. The cutie oranges, I did two just like yesterday and peeled them. I just use these leftover containers I get from Home Chef. And one of these salted caramel crunch Chobani flips. He said the strawberry cheesecake one was really good, in case anybody is curious about that yogurt. I think he's had this one before and he does like it. I'm giving him a pizza combo baked pretzel thing. It's like a snack pack and a Reese cup because we have some candy that we need to start eating through. So I figure throw in a piece for his lunch, why not? But this is what he's taking today. No clue yet what I'm doing, but I'm going to remember to bring my camera in case I need it when I'm out, or if I come home, I'll have it obviously regardless, but I'll see you later. Hey guys, quick lunch in the car today. I have to do a couple errands. We actually have food trucks near where I work. So I got a burger. They have really good burgers. It just has, let me see if I can lift it up, bacon and cheese. It has cheddar cheese, bacon, ketchup, and spicy mustard. And then I also got a piece of their lemon cake. They have all different cakes which are homemade with icing. It's just like a lemon cake with vanilla icing. I don't know that I'll eat that right now, but I'm gonna have my burger here, and I've got a water and head back to work. But yeah, this is what I'm having today. Good morning. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. It is actually a little bit earlier than usual, so I am even more tired. I normally am up around 5:30, packing these and filming these, but today it's 5 a.m., so it's about a half an hour earlier. We got some snow that started early this morning, and it's snowing right now, and it's supposed to snow through the day. So school is open, work is open, so we have to allot ourselves extra time to shovel, brush off our cars, warm up our cars, and drive to work because the roads are obviously covered in snow. So yeah, it's really early today. Anyways, purple Gatorade, G2, lower sugar, grape for Matt, a vanilla Coke, 0 for Matt, and of course the water cooler. The wrap you saw me make, a sun-dried tomato basil wrap with hard salami, iceberg, Swiss cheese, and spicy mustard, and a pickle spear on the side. I have a bunch of green grapes on the bottom here with a cutie on top. Some of, actually the last of the Whole Foods brand kettle cooked chips. It was like the ass end of a bag. So I just put it in here so it wouldn't just get lost in the back of the cabinet. And then one of these Great Value almond sweet and salty granola bars. But this is what he's taken today. I'm going to show you what I'm bringing because with the weather today, I'm not going to be able to come home on lunch. Alright, so before I show you everything I'm taking to work for myself, let me show you a peek of what is going on outside. So this is the current weather conditions outside. If you can see, it's snowing pretty decently, and that's why I'm up extra early to pack lunches, because we need to allow extra time to get to work as well. It's supposed to snow all day long. Alright, so I'm getting ready to head out. I've got this like bowl here, and on the bottom is some crisp iceberg lettuce. I've got some ground, or it's taco meat, but it's turkey. So we did turkey tacos last night, so I've got ground turkey taco meat. I've got black beans, some diced tomatoes, a little shredded cheese, some chive, and then I'm also going to pack some taco sauce to use as like a dressing, and I'll just have this for lunch. This is a pretty large container. I get these containers from Home Chef boxes and just keep them and reuse them. So I've got green grapes, I've got a cutie. This is a new-ish insulated coffee cup that my friend Christy got for me. It is bomb. Like, it keeps my coffee hotter longer than my Contigo, and my Contigos are pretty awesome too. My Contigos are like 2 hours where the coffee is hot, although I usually drink all the coffee before that 2-hour mark. This is even longer. I can't tell you guys an exact like how many hours because I drink my coffee before I even can find out, but it definitely keeps my coffee hotter longer than the Contigo. It's really nice. She got it for me on Amazon. I can link it down below if you want to check it out and see if it would be a good fit for you. I'm also bringing a black cherry citrus Freshka soda to keep at work, and then I'm also going to bring these Brookside acai and blueberry flavored dark chocolate covered like little fruit things. My friend Ashley sent these to me with a bunch of little gifts for my birthday, so I thought I would just keep it at work. I also have other things at work. I've got nuts, I've got a little hummus left, and I think I have a couple bananas, just like random stuff that I keep there because I'm going to be there. It is, let me see, it is about 6:45 right now, and I'm going to be there for until at least, 6 o'clock. So I have to have enough food and stuff stocked up to keep me full. But anyways, I'm going to head out and hopefully get to work safely, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the work week. I am actually off on Fridays. I work Monday through Thursday, 10-hour days for my 40 hours for the week. So today my mom and I are actually going out to do some things together. My mom also works full-time, but she's been at her job over 25 years. So she has tons and tons of like vacation time and personal time. So she actually took off today because I'm off on Fridays, and we're going to do something. If I remember to bring my camera, I'll show you what we're going to have for lunch because I don't know yet. But anyways, for Matt's lunch today, a Gatorade G2, the grape lower sugar, a Price Chopper brand version of their Dr. Pepper. I always pack him his water cooler, which is his main source of drinking throughout the day. The wrap is a sun-dried tomato basil. My hands are clean. It is buffalo chicken, iceberg lettuce, some buffalo ranch, and some Swiss cheese in this wrap. Some celery sticks with the Jif to Go natural peanut butter cup to dip the celery in. Some of the Grandma's mini sandwich creams in the vanilla. I got a big box of these a couple months ago on Amazon Prime, and we really have been liking them. And then some Pringles barbecue flavor little snack pack, and I also think I'm going to throw in some grapes because A, we have a ton of them. I bought like 2 pounds of them, and B, they're just really good. So I might throw in a little bit of grapes as well. A few of you have asked, who I think are newish to my channel, because I've mentioned and shown this cooler a ton. This is the cooler. People are wanting to know what I pack Matt's lunch in. This is the cooler here. I believe it's the it's the Igloo brand. This is old. We bought this in 2014 to replace a previous one that we had for like 7 years. So this is almost 6 years old, and I think we got it at like Walmart. It's a really good cooler. It's a perfect size to hold like a large ice pack, everything I pack, and then some. Usually there's room left over, but this is what we use. It's like old reliable. It was super cheap. I'll link it down below in case you're interested in one of these. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this week's What's for Lunch video. I'm going to sign off here on it, but if I do happen to remember to bring my camera with my mom and I'll just put a little clip in after this. So my mom and I went to lunch at Red Robin because she had a gift card. I had this turkey, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and avocado sandwich on a croissant, and my mom actually had a turkey burger. Thank you again so much for watching this week's What's for Lunch, and I'll see you in the next one.